Hello, it is the 11th of November 2010. This is the SLV silver ETF chart with the variables adjusted to the COMEX prices. And the red line indicates the lowest level silver traded during that time frame, the green level, the highest level during that time frame. It is a 10-minute line chart. And this line is a representation of the 5-day moving average. And when you have a rising 5-day, you're usually above it. And at some point, you're going to have to come back down to it where you would try to find support. It found support yesterday, or actually 2 days on this area. This was on Tuesday during the big selling where it found support at 26.5. And then it managed to rally upwards to about 27 and 3/4. So that's a difference of $1.25, maybe about a 4-5% push. And then we had another test of the 5-day moving average quickly after that, the next day, which had a lower high. Another test of the 5-day moving average, which was higher than this low, but it was only able to get up to 27.50 again. It had some more testing towards a 5-day. This morning, it was just riding this 5-day moving average, if you will. It has since started to break away from it. And the more often support and resistance is tested, the more often it is able to be taken down. So therefore, there has been 1, 2, 3, 4 tests of the 5-day moving average. There has been 1, 2, 3, 4 tests of this 27.50 level, which was support in this area here. It was also resistance in here. You have two levels that have been tested quite vigorously, for that matter. Therefore, something's going to have to give. Either we will get a push, which would most likely take us up towards the even 28 handle, or it would go below the 5-day moving average, most likely finding some support roughly around 26.5, where it encountered these three different bottoms. If the markets continue to rise and the 5-day moving average rate of ascent should start to go up higher again, and the bull market would continue by going below the 5-day moving average, that would help make the 5-day moving average start to flatten out. And if it manages to go a decent percentage below it, meaning it at least tests the 26.50 level, then that would be an area you would look to see if it would become a level of some resistance. Right now, as we are speaking, this has been and really still is another buying opportunity within the silver market, because when this is rising like it is and it is able to hold above it, then the buyers would still be in control. This is just a quick little update as far as the volume and volatility is concerned. The volume is still a decent amount, but much, much lower than the last 2 days. The volatility is higher than normal, but in comparison to the last 2 days, it is also reduced thus far. Thank you for watching and have yourself a magnificent day. Bye-bye.